What's going on, rollers? How are y'all doing today? Happy Monday. Hope y'all are being blessed and y'all's Monday's off to a great start. Haven't posted in a minute. Y'all, my truck has been in the shop for the last week. It was just, nothing was wrong with it. I just had to get a maintenance done, preventative maintenance, because it's so important that you get that done so you don't end up on the side of the road. And I was good. I'm gonna post that video next time I post, show everything that they found, this, that, and the third, etc. But I also wanted to tell you all about last night. So Sunday nights, I live in Atlanta, and the load board was popping. Well, I know I saw one load yesterday that was 218 miles for $1,136. I think that's what it was, $1,136. So I know there was all these questions about, okay, when does peak season hit, and if those rates are going to be like they were in previous years for peak season, simply because of the amount of box trucks that are in, the industry right now. So for the past couple Sundays that I have seen the load board, y'all, let me just say I didn't get this load, of course, because I didn't have my truck with me. That's why I didn't want to have my truck with me over the weekend, because I knew for a fact on the weekends is when them loads, they really be posting good. So this posted at about 1 o'clock maybe, and it was, I don't know who got it, but I don't know if it was a glitch in the system also, because I saw it for like 20 minutes, and I'm sure that I don't know why I stood on the load board for so long, but it required a 24-foot box truck, and that's something new I saw, because, of course we always say you need a 26-foot box truck for Amazon, but it required a 24-foot box truck. It was going 218 miles from Georgia to North Carolina. It had 3 stops, so I'm just posting this, y'all, so y'all know that the money is still out there. And also, please let us stop taking cheap freight. Let the load sit. Let the load sit. Don't immediately book a load once you see it hit the load board if it's low paying. You know why? Because the load has to get moved regardless. I know all these YouTubers, they always say the load has to get moved. So let it sit. Don't be fear of missing out, because the only thing you're going to be missing out is more money. So just let the load sit and let it go to that high point. These loads start popping up with the higher prices around, the early mornings, like midnight to about maybe 6 a.m. So those are the best times to really look at a load board. So the money is still out there, y'all. We really control the rates. We may think Amazon controls the rates, but they're gonna give us what we're taking. So if we're taking $1 a mile, I don't know how people can survive off of that, $2 a mile before deadhead. I don't think that's very wise, but do what you have to do for your business. But please just make sure that, because it impacts all of us. So I just had to post that really quick, y'all. So thank you so much for your subscriptions, y'all. I see y'all, your comments, your likes. So yeah, y'all, I just really wanted to post that quick video really quickly, because had I taken this load, I was gonna post that video, because that would have been my best paying load. But I do believe that is gonna happen again. And I'll have my truck, because it is completely maintenance now, and I'm actually about to, that's why I'm rushing right now. I have to go pick up a load at 8:15 p.m. It's going 34 miles. So yes, y'all, but until next video, go out there, be blessed, stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all